Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Rathwell, Manitoba, a small and peaceful prairie settlement nestled in south-central Manitoba. This quiet community began to grow as settlers moved into the area in the late 1880s, drawn by fertile farmland and railway access. Over the years, agriculture has remained the backbone of life here, with generations of families working the land around the town. A monument erected in 1970 honors the early pioneers of the Rathwell and Indianford districts. Small museums and local community halls characterize life in Rathwell. Whether you're learning about the area's early settlers or simply soaking in the calm prairie vibe, Rathwell is a place worth experiencing. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Rathwell, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Thanks for watching!